If you want to enable or disable the super power saving mode or the ultra battery saver on OPPO Reno 15, first of all we need to open settings. Next, in settings, scroll down and search for the battery saver, and then in here we can find the super power saving mode. We can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. Over here we have a little explanation of what the super power saving mode looks like, and we can tap on turn on in order to activate this mode. And as you can see, now we are in the power saving mode or ultra battery saver. We can actually easily exit this mode by using the exit button here in the upper left corner. You can also find the super power saving mode in the control center or quick settings if you add that button. So if you tap on this pen at the top and then use this plus in the upper left corner, then in here we should be able to try to find the super power saving mode. Let's see if we can find it. There we go. So we can add it to the list, and then you can use this button to quickly activate that mode. Leave a like and subscribe